Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can increase the quality of your videos in DaVinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in a project and I finished editing everything that I wanted. Now that I want to increase the quality, what I want to do first is go into the color tab, which is this sort of color wheel here, third icon from the right, and now you want to go into the blur effect right here, this sort of teardrop next to a triangle, and here you just want to modify it a bit. The radius will be at 0.5 and you want to modify it to lower it just a bit. If you go overboard, the video will look too sharp and a bit ugly, so you just want to target the sweet spot. You can experiment with it, but in my opinion it's around 4.2 or 0.42. in between 0.4 and 0.5 should be just enough. Now that you're done with that, you can go into the color wheels, and as you can see, it is primaries dash color wheels. You want to modify the mid detail slider. Now if you go overboard, the same thing will happen as with blur. It can be too sharp and look a bit messy, so you just want to saturate the colors a bit. In my opinion, between 40 and 80 works best, so I'll just modify it to a mid version or mid value of around 60. That should work well, and that is pretty much all you need to do to just make your video pop a bit more and make it of a higher quality. Make sure to save it in a high quality as well, so once you start exporting it in the deliver tab under video, make sure you select MP4 so that there is no compression, and choose a resolution of your wish. I'll keep it at 1080p, but you can even go to 2K and even 4K, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Make sure your kilobits per second are also set to whatever you want. 45,000 for 1080p, for 2 and 4K you want 95,000, and that should be just enough. Then you can just add to render queue, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.